Area of each cloth. See, there are total 10 colors of 10 pieces are there. 10 pieces. 10 pieces. Correct? Each, I mean, there are two type of colors. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So each color 5 pieces are there. Each color, how many pieces are there? 5 pieces. So 5 into 200 root 6. 1000 root 6. Area of each color cloth. Each color cloth. Area of each color cloth. Okay. 2000 root 6 will come for total. Okay. 2000 will come for total. For each color, 5 pieces are there. Both the color, 5 pieces are there. So into 5 you do, you will get the answer. See here, you can say there are two triangles, ABC triangle and another triangle is ADC. Okay, ADC. But in ADC, this is one triangle, this is second triangle. In ABC triangle and ADC triangle, AC is not given. AC is not given, Baba. AC is not given. But one thing is that I can find out ABC area directly without taking the help of AC. Area of ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is 9 and height is 40. So these two ones are 220s are, we will get 180 meters square. Correct? Now for ADC, what is there? AC is compulsory. For ADC, AC is compulsory. I can use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. I can use Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, AB square is 9 square, BC is 40. So AC is equal to AC square is equal to 9 square is 81. 81 plus 1600, 40 square 1600. 4 square 16 into 2 zeros. So AC is equal to root of 1681. It is a perfect square 41 meter. Now I can go with semi-perimeter for ADC triangle. For ADC, S is equal to, what are the three sides you can see? 15 is the one side which is visible, 28 is another side, and this is 41. So 15, 28 and 41. 15, 28 and 41 divided by 2. So total add it, how much will get? 49 plus 69, 74, 84 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 2, 2s are, so S is equal to 42 meter. Now we can go for area. Area of ADC is equal to root of S. S is 42. 42 minus 15 is A. This is A, this is B, and this is C. According to me, you can take ABC, anything, nothing like this only order. 42 minus 28, 42 minus 41. Now, simplify root of 42. So we will get here how much? 27, right? And this will get 14, right? And this will get 1. Next part. So 42 is equal to 42 means what we will get here. See here I can see clearly. Here you can see 14 is there, right? So this 42 I can write as 14 threes are. Easier things will get. 14 threes are. This I will write as 9 threes are. Why 9 threes are? Because here 3 is there and here also 3 will get. Simple. Logic. Into 14 as it is. 1 is no use. Into 1 is same. Now is equal to root of, you can see 14 and 14, 14 square. You can see this 3. Okay, I will change the color. So you will get here blue, I will take. This is 3 and this is 3, so we'll get 3 square. Another 3 square, so I will write, but you may ask why, so I will tell you this is 3 square. Now we will get 14 into 3 into 3. 14 3s are 42. If you multiply, how much will get? 14 into 9, 36. 126 meters square. You can write down area of quadrilateral is equal to 1. First we got 180 plus 126. Answer will get 306 meters square. Correct? Understood? Try this question.